Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a flyer in Canva. On the home page, go to the left of your screen and click on Create. In the search bar, type in flyer. Here you can choose the layout of the flyer. You can go with a landscape one or a portrait one. I'm going to choose the portrait one. And when you open the project right away, Canva offers you templates to use. You can choose the search bar here to look up specific things that you need, or you can scroll until you find a specific template that you like. Alright, this is how to create a flyer in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.